What's going on, guys? Julbert Abraham here. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about 3PL. So if you know anybody that has a 3PL business, anybody, share this video with them. I'm going to drop some gems that can help them grow their businesses. We're going to talk about how to use a tool like GoHighLevel to run your 3PL business. Listen, if you want a 3PL business, warehousing, fulfillment, freight brokerage, or last mile delivery, your biggest challenge usually isn't trucks or square footage. Don't get me wrong, it's a challenge. It's communication, client retention, operational visibility, missed follow-ups with e-com brands, slow onboarding for new clients, manual status update, unpaid invoices, accounts that quietly churn because no one checked in. So what I want to do in this video is show you how to use a platform like GoHighLevel to become your client relationship automation command center, while you get all your other systems still working, and this just complement everything. Listen, most 3PLs rely on email chains, Slack or WhatsApp threads, spreadsheets, disconnected CRM, manual reminders, right? And guess what? There's a lot of revenue leaks that happen when quotes takes too long. Think about it. You'll go to your competitor. Onboarding isn't structured. It creates chaos, right? They don't want to work with you anymore. Reduces stress. Renewals aren't tracked properly, right? You're missing out on money. Billing reminders are inconsistent. You're missing out on more money. Client communication is more reactive instead of proactive, all right? Sometimes you might have a great business, but bad communication make you look messy. So these are system gaps, not effort gaps. So you can use a tool like GoHighLevel to help centralize communication, automate repetitive client-facing tasks, and I'm going to share a couple systems that can help you. System number one, a lead capture and quote automation system. Think about it. When an e-com business or retailer submits a logistic inquiry, automation can instantly send confirmation email, deliver rates, cards, or service menu, book discovery call, assign sales reps, right? All that is automated and it happens instantly while placing that new client or potential client into your pipeline. Think about this. Speed signals professionalism. Silence signals risk. Let's talk about a second system. Client calls and onboarding scheduling. You can create within GoHighLevel a built-in calendar system that manages discovery call, warehouse stores, onboarding sessions for new clients that are coming on, quarterly business reviews for current clients, right? And renewal meetings. Big one. All that, one system, one platform, easy to see. Reminders are sent out that helps reduce no-shows, remove scheduling chaos, especially when you're dealing with clients in several different time zones all at the same time. Another system that's super valuable is a pipeline for client lifecycle. You create a visual dashboard pipeline on GoHighLevel so you can see when new leads come in, quotes that were sent out, negotiation that's taking place, onboarding for new clients that coming in, active clients, and guess what? Renewal pending. Now you have a bird's eye view on what's happening in the business. You can even see at-risk accounts. So that puts you in a position where you can take action and be more proactive than reactive. Instead of relying on memory or scattered notes, you have a system in place that helps your business run better. By that helping your business run better, you're able to increase revenue and grow faster. On top of it, let's talk about another system, automated check-in and invoice reminders, right? Automation can send monthly performance check-ins that trigger renewal reminders, notify account manager of any inactivity, and then send a gentle invoice nudges, okay? Now you're able to deliver satisfaction surveys, right, to your clients to see what's happening. It helps create consistency because consistency keeps clients. Silence lose them. Listen, I'm going to give you 2 additional creative strategies that I think most 3PL company are not using. Strategy 1, shipment milestone messaging. Instead of only updating clients when problems occur, automate the milestone updates where they get notification, text or email like orders picked, shipped, delivered, so they're part of the process. They know what's happening step by step. And it also include like a quick feedback or upsell prompts, right? So that helps increase transparency without hiring more support staff. Strategy number 2, this is what we call a VIP client micro portals. Think about it. For your top clients, create a simple private portal that includes service menu, onboarding documents, contract renewals, right? And support request form. So by putting all that into that portal, not only makes your client feel special, but there's also links where they can book their quarterly reviews, but it elevates the overall experience without building custom software or hiring developers to do this. I want you to be more efficient, because efficiency without replacing core system puts you in a position where now you're not replacing your warehouse management system, you're not replacing your transportation management system, you're not replacing your inventory software, you're not even replacing your accounting platform. You're just setting up a system that allows you to communicate better, and it complements and integrate with everything else. So now you have all these things running at the same time, make follow-ups easier, makes reminders easier, because they're automated. It's gonna happen regardless you do anything or not. Clients' journey is cleaner, less chaos, and makes it easier to retain top clients. So I want you to think of this concept. Automations handles repetition. Your team handles the logistics and execution. If you want stronger client retention and a smoother communication, do this. Start with the inquiry form, build pipelines like I spoke about earlier, add milestones for automations. Then I want you to layer renewal and check-in workflows. So now you have a full communication system that's efficient. You could just test this out, experiment for a 30-day trial using GoHighLevel. There's a link here in the bottom. And if you like help mapping out your whole 3PL specific workflow strategy, book a strategy call with our team. We'd be happy to help. We can even execute and implement this whole system for you. If you like this type of video, or you know anyone with a 3PL that would love this, share this video with them, like, comment, and subscribe. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Cheers.